Right, so everybody's favorite question, right? This is question 9. It's the cat question. Okay, so first of all, that word's important, right? Okay, when we're doing a comparison, we've got to say X is more than Y or X is less than Y, right? So straight away, that's how we're going to frame this, right? And it tells us to refer to conduction, convection, and radiation in your answer, right? So the what we want to say is, okay, is there more conduction in X than Y, or the other way around? Okay, and then explain why, right? So for each thing, each of those three things, it's going to be like, right, we're comparing, there's more of this in this one than this one, okay, and then we're explaining, right? Okay, so I'm actually going to start with radiation because I think that's the easiest one to explain, right? Or is it? Okay, the first thing that you've got to do is you've got to work out the direction of flow of heat, okay, before you do anything else. Okay, so it's telling you, right, they've got the same body temperature and they're transferring energy to their surroundings when they're outside on a cold day, right? So outside is cold, okay, which means inside their body is hot, right? So that's the direction of heat flow. Same with the black cat, okay, it's hot, okay, so it's going to be transferring to the cold surroundings. All right. Now, anything else that you might think of, like, oh, it's a sunny day, therefore the sun's going to be going to the cat. No, that's not interesting. That's not part of the answer because, look, it's telling you it's transferring energy to their surroundings, right? Compare how they transfer energy to their surroundings. So if you're talking about the flow of heat from the cat to the surroundings, that's what you need to be talking about. Okay, so black is, yes, it's a poor reflector. Yes, it's a good absorber, but none of that is important for this question. The important thing for this question is that black is a good radiator, okay? So we can say that for radiation, okay, there's more infrared radiation in cat Y. So the radiation from cat Y is greater than cat X, okay? And then Y, because black is a good radiator. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so we've done that one, radiation. We've said which ones, we've compared the two cats, and then we've given a reason why. All right, now let's think about conduction. Okay. Again, the heat's trying to go from the inside of the black cat to the cold surroundings, but the black cat has got lots of thick fur, all right? Now, one thing that you might know about fur is that it's an insulator, okay? And how is it an insulator? Okay, it's because it traps lots of air, and air is a very poor conductor. So because cat Y has got lots of fur around it, that means if we're talking about conduction, that means that there's going to be cat Y is going to have less conduction to the surroundings than cat X. Why? Because it's covered in fur, which is an insulator. Okay, fur traps air, and air is a poor conductor, therefore the fur is an insulator. Okay. Kind of linked in with that is the same idea about convection. Okay. Convection is when air gets heated up, okay, by like a hot body, and then rises, okay, to take away the heat from that body. Okay, but you can see, like in the black cat, okay, the air is going to get heated up, but then the convection cone gets broken because it is kind of, these tiny air pockets, they're all part of this mat of fur. So because the air pockets are so small, okay, we can't we get reduced convection. So that means that the convection in cat Y is less than the convection in cat X. Okay, so I think that those are the main points. Yeah, convection is reduced, okay, because of the small air pockets. That air in the fur of cat Y is trapped in small pockets, and that trapped air is going to reduce convection. And those are the main points for that question.